I'm Ghanshyam Gupta. I welcome all the delegates and I thank you for joining the virtual CME. Please stay connected. We'll be starting soon. And today's topic are true happiness. We have two topics. One is true happiness, and other is recent advances in obesity and PCOS. So true happiness will be taken by Dr. Archana Verma. She is MBBS MD and Vice President of Elect FOGSI 2021. We have another speaker for our second topic, which would be taken by Dr. Sharda Jain. She is MBBS MD and she is Medical Director to Life Care Center and Life Care IVF, New Delhi. So brief introduction about our first speaker, Dr. Archana Verma. Dr. Archana Verma is passionate about creating awareness in women health, and she is Vice President for FOGSI 2021, Associate Member of RCOG. She is Founder President of West UP Chapter. She has been Organizing Chairperson for UPCOG in 2020. She has been Past President of Ghaziabad Ops and Society, Organizing Secretary North UA FOGSI for 2016. She has been Organizing Secretary for UP ISAR in 2015. She has been Organizing Secretary in midterm UPCOG in 2015. She has been Chairperson for Public Awareness Committee FOGSI 2016-18. And she has been a member of Rotary Lions and so many other UDAN, BVP and all other projects. There are lots and lots of her articles, many awards. She has got the award like India Book of Award, President FOGSI Best Committee Appreciation Award. UP Governor has given many other awards also. So she also has been awarded from CRPF Director of Health Program in 1919, Women of the Year Health Award from IAS Wives Association, and faculty in 300 plus national and international CME. So I welcome Dr. Archana Verma for today's scientific eve and for highlighting some of the facts about how to live in true happiness.
Ghanshyam, let Shivani take over a little bit. Dr. Shivani, you will wish to speak?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Ghanshyam ji, for such a wonderful introduction of our brilliant first speaker. And I would like to invite Anita Rajuria ji. Dr. Anita is the Endocrinology Committee of AOTC, and she is also the Vice President of Gynecology Southwest.
Thank you, Shivani. It is a proud privilege for all of us to welcome our dear Dr. Archana Verma to deliver this very important talk on tips for a very happy and healthy life. We all know that scientific evidence has suggested that being happy promotes a happy and healthy lifestyle. It combats stress, boosts immunity, reduces pain, and protects our heart. So, the groundwork for all happiness is good health. London had said, to enhance good health, eat light, breathe deeply, live moderately, cultivate cheerfulness, and maintain interest in life. So, we are all waiting eagerly to hear Dr. Archana Verma ma'am, who is going to give us tips about how to lead a very happy and healthy life. Over to you, Archana ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's my proud privilege to come to my all-time favorite place, the Delhi Gynae Forum platform, and I have been so lucky that whenever I wanted some piece of a happiness, I always got it in tons and tons of the things from here. And today on the Mahashivratri, again I am getting the blessings from my all-time favorite teacher, mentor, Dr. Sharda Jain madam, and I'm really thankful to find the introduction, and thank you Shivani, and thank you Dr. Anita. So my talk in the meantime, I'm just trying to share. Today my talk is a tips for the happy and healthy life. Could share? रुक गया फिर से. So now can you see the slides?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, dear friends, I think I should start directly because of the so much of time issue. So, what is the topic is the same. Only very single word: happiness, prasannata. So, what is happiness actually? So, what I want to say that happiness in a single sentence is कि जब आप जो सोचते हो और जैसा बोलते हो फिर वैसा ही करते हो, then you feel that you are a little bit happy. So this is our door to happy. जैसे कहते हैं कि दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए, मगर हैप्पीनेस तो ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो आप उसे कहीं से भी उठा लीजिए. तो ये इसके लिए आपको खुद ही काफी कुछ एफर्ट्स करना पड़ेगा. एंड यू कैन गेट द बिकॉज हैप्पीनेस इज अ फीलिंग, इट्स नॉट अ थिंग. And when there are so many ways of getting it, it's a totally a emotional and a psychological state, and there's a very difficult to get a single answer for this definition. And but the thing is, and the goal is to get the happiness in any form or any shape or any format. And it is scientifically because of a chemical called serotonin, which is a scientific basis. And so many people, they get happiness from various ways, like whenever you think that something good in a memory you are getting it, उसको सोचने से ही आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And then even if you are wearing a lovely dress, then you get feel very happy. And even if you are getting any award or get any assets or any, like even car race, so things are very different for different people. It is a different feeling for everybody. And as such, there is no path to happiness. वो कोई ऐसी मंजिल नहीं है जहां तक आपको पहुंचाया जा रहा है. It is a happiness is the path. Whenever you are doing something, you are going for it. And the basic point to know is कि क्या हम happiness को कहीं से पा सकते हैं? Can we buy it? So the answer is definitely very really no. And the happiness will not come on itself. Actually, you have to do certain efforts. What efforts? It is your thought process which will make you do certain actions. And dear friends, there is a action, like we all know that there is a Newton's law. जब भी कभी कोई एक्शन होगा तो डेफिनेटली कुछ डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा, यानी चेंज इज अ मस्ट. सो योर थॉट्स आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग सम चेंजेस एंड इट इज टोटली एग्जीक्यूटेड बाय यू एंड यू ओनली. You just cannot blame any other person, or you just cannot expect from any other person that you are not getting happiness. It's totally on you. So और अपने एक माइंड को, ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस कहाँ से आता है? हमारे माइंड से आता है. और अगर माइंड कूल होगा, then only we will get the good thoughts. Or anger and ego and tensions, they causes disturbances in our thought process, and for that you need to do certain mental relaxation. You need to get all these relaxation. So you have to find out those things which gives you relaxation. So real happiness actually for some people is living a good life. It's a pleasant and satisfied life. Or for some, am I audible, Anita?
Yes.
Okay. So for some it may be achieving certain goals or to be more self-sufficient and alive. But definitely one suggestion for all of us is to avoid rat race of that getting and better packages and running after the such so-called worldly or success. And for that you will always be depressed, and you will always be having competitions, and you will be feeling sad inside. आप जिंदगी को एक ही बार जीते हो, ये जिंदगी दोबारा नहीं मिलेगी. So remember कि एक ही लाइफ है और you have to live it in the present. अपने आप को पहचानो, अपने इंटरेस्ट को पहचानो और ये रिमेम्बर रखना है, हम ये याद रखना है हमको कि हर चीज वक्त से मिलती है, ना वक्त से पहले मिलेगी ना वक्त से ज्यादा मिलेगी. हमारी लाइफ में बहुत एक खुशियों का और जो एक 3H रिमेम्बर रखेंगे तो फिर आई थिंक इट विल बी वेरी गुड टू रिमेम्बर दोज 3H आर number 1 health, number 2 happiness and the harmony, and start looking for happiness within yourself only. I will let you know after some time what kind of this looking inside helps. And there are certain obstructions, certain obstacles jo whenever we think that we are not happy, but what is that cause, what is that disturbing, what are those emotions which are not letting us feel happy? They are the anger, fear or suspicion. Even if whatever you have, if you are living कोई शक से देखते रहेंगे कोई भी चीज को, then you won't be feeling happy, and they will say if there is a love inside your mind and peace, and then you will always be happy. This was a quote by Dalai Lama. And then there are innumerable फायदे ही फायदे हैं happiness के. अगर आप happy रहेंगे तो you will be away from so many problems. Like if you are doing the work happily, then you will always be more productive at work. You will feel more smarter and you're more creative, and you will be more healthy and you will live long. And you'll be even in marriages and all, they'll be fulfilling the relationship. You will not travel frequently. You will have more friends and more generous. And this health is actually all the combination of the physical, mental, and social health we all know. And for the this healthy mind, healthy heart, and this healthy body is giving us a healthy signs. And if health is, we all know that it starts from the magical word of heal. It is a healer. The health is a healer, and the words are also healer, and the feel that you are a healer. So when you are talking and removing a disease factor from others, so you are providing them health. And in the being healthy is not only outer, it is it's a combination of so many things. You must be having all this stress management, knowing stress management, and many things you are doing, and even the lifestyle, healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet makes you a healthy person. And this importance of the good health, and there are certain steps like this. Take notice of your health and connect with the people, be active, keep learning, and good diet, and say no to all this like you can see in this what this picture is saying. It's quite enough. And there's something like a health literacy. So health literacy, one word about it, whenever you are thinking about your health, when you are sad, then you get go somewhere like you attend some webinar or a talk, and then you take certain decision and discuss with your friends also, and then start taking action, and then you feel. So this is called health literacy, and this lifestyle makes you so healthy that you can do much better work and professionally also, and it feels a good lifestyle. And regarding fitness, fitness is a dream of everybody, but even if you are not having such a nice fitness as Kareena Kapoor or Hrithik Roshan, so don't worry, give time, keep on doing, and because the more you feel fit, the more you feel growing, and you can utilize any of the exercise you like swimming or cycling. And one thing, अगर आप healthy हैं तभी आप कुछ कर पाएंगे. और all the nation wants ki you do if you are healthy, then you can win the gold also, and the nation can be proud also. Then another thing very important is, so think of the future. So if you are healthy and जिंदगी की शाम जब आए तो आप उसके लिए थोड़ा सा think before, and for that you keep on making friends, keep on plan for more get-togethers, plan for more get-togethers, plan for certain cheerful moments at that age, and be more happy and do more look after each other more. And so let us work as a team and inspire each other. We friends can also do for each other. And one thing, if in this all this gathering, if I want to ask, कि कौन बनेगा ambassador of happiness, you or you, Anita or Shivani? So, but that will not be good. I want everybody to be the ambassador of happiness. So these are certain things which I would like to say. A little bit of for the happiness, and happiness comes from the confidence, and confidence is always built up by a teacher. Like Dr. Sharda Jain, she knows how to make and how to give confidence to their student. A good teacher, his message, his blessing, they transform anybody like anything. कोई भी दुनिया का कोई भी इंसान को अगर बेटर टीचर नहीं मिला तो उसको कुछ लाइफ में इतनी आसानी से मिलने वाला नहीं है सब कुछ. They uplift you forever, and your future is secure. So try to look for an ideal teacher, then in life then you will be a happy person. और जब आप सोचेंगे अपने इसके लिए कि आपने क्या सोचा था और कहाँ चले, आप कहाँ पहुंच गए, तो ये कहाँ आए थे, हम कहाँ चले गए, because in the fewer past you must have heard that nowadays everybody say कि क्या कितना difference आ गया है. We have taller buildings but shorter tempers. We buy more but we enjoy less. We have a bigger houses but smaller families. More degree but less sense. We think more but laugh too little. And there is so much in the so whenever it's like a showroom where so much is there in the show window but nothing inside in the storehouse. So this is the life, and just remember कि जो बहुत चमकदार चीज है वो जरूरी नहीं कि अच्छी हो. And in the life, if you have never experienced deadly illness, you have never been alone in the life, you have never felt torture, you have never felt disability, think and be humble and be thankful that you are ahead of the 500 million people, that you are much better. So when you will think this, that you are ahead of so many people, you will feel happy. And be positive is the mantra, best mantra. Raise yourself, don't erase others. So अगर आपने सुना होगा कि एक story है, these slides are made from a little stories. There was a teacher asked 50 students, this is a line, put it on the board, just tell me a single way where you can shorten it. So without erasing, so each and every student said you cannot do without erasing, and the teacher he put a larger line and asked, now doesn't it look shorter? They said yes. तो आपको बस ये भी एक याद रखना होगा कि इतना दुनिया में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बहुत ज्यादा जमा बटोरने के चक्कर में अपने लाइफ को परेशानी में ना डालें. खाली हाथ आए हैं और खाली हाथ जाएंगे, ये याद रखना होगा. तो कई बार आपने देखा होगा लोग आपसे पूछते हैं, भाई आप इतना मुस्कुराते क्यों हो, आप इतना खुश क्यों रहते हो, आपका क्या राज है. तो ये मतलब ये कि तुम जो इतना मुस्कुरा रहे हो इसका क्या रीजन है. सो इसका रीजन यही है कि few people see only the brighter side of things, and always have. When I can see hear some disturbances, is it on to me only?
Sir, everybody should mute themselves, please. There's a lot of disturbance from the office level.
So we must develop certain sense of humor, so that will make us feel very happy. और ये कभी भी आपके साथ लाइफ में whenever you feel sad, something bad has happened, you lost some close person or you have lost something, don't feel bad. ये बुरा वक्त है, गुजर ही जाएगा. और अगर आपको ये याद रहेगा कि किसी ने जानबूझ के आपके साथ बुरा नहीं किया है और जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है, so that gives also a very positive attitude. And second thing, हर किसी को लेडी को ये तो जरूर ही पता होना चाहिए कि हम क्या असली मतलब रियल ब्यूटी चाहते हैं या नहीं। तो अगर आपको फ्री का ब्यूटी पार्लर चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली डियर फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज थिंक हमको सूरत नहीं सीरत बदलनी होगी। और अपने एक किसी भी लेडी के, वो कहावत है कि उसकी जो ब्यूटी होती है वो मोल में नहीं होती, उसकी सोल में होती है। So when a lady is very caring and you are looking after your work and family and friends, you will feel better and other also will feel better, and be kind to each and everybody. And this human touch in life is very, very important. Touching words and human touch, ये दोनों के दोनों आपको ऐसा लगता है कि if अगर किसी आदमी को वक्त बहुत जरूरत है, वक्त पे आपने उसकी पीठ भी थपथपा दी, और या आपने उसको एक बार गले से भी लगाया, सपोज कोई रो रहा है तो आप उसको शोल्डर्स दीजिए, तो ये उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा और आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा होगा। यू मेक अदर्स हैप्पी ऑल्सो। तो एक होता है ना, कई बार आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है एंड यू डोंट इवन नो, और यू जस्ट कैन नॉट फील वी हैव गॉट समथिंग, और आप और चीजों में अपना ध्यान लगाए रहते हैं और आपको वो फीलिंग और हैप्पीनेस पता ही नहीं चलती। लाइक वंस अ मैन आस्क्ड God, I want to see you, I want to feel you. God said yes, okay. So then when he was sitting there, he said, come at 5 p.m. Delhi Gaidi Forum. then that person kept on waiting. The butterfly came and sit on his face, shoulder, and but because he thought कि nobody has come, so he brushed away the butterfly, and he couldn't realize कि उसको पता ही नहीं चला, उसके पास सोर्स थी हैप्पीनेस की, उसके पास सोर्स था सब कुछ, बट वो उसको यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाया। तो ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम है। और अगर आप लाइफ में थैंकफुल फील करेंगे तो आप हमेशा बहुत खुश रहेंगे। कि अगर आपके मॉर्निंग में आपके रूम में अलार्म बज रहा है, दैट मीन्स यू आर लाइव। अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे पाइल ऑफ लॉन्ड्री है तो दैट मीन्स यू हैव लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स टू वियर, एंड इफ यू आर पेइंग टैक्स दैट मीन्स यू आर अर्निंग। So don't sit idle, keep on working. And this is the slide which makes me always very inspiring, that whenever you see to any nature, you always see कि आपको जिसको जो देखना चाहता है उसको वही दिखाई पड़ता है। किसी को पानी दिखाई पड़ रहा है, किसी को रात दिखाई पड़ रही है, किसी को चांद दिखाई पड़ना है, किसी को लाइट दिखाई पड़ रही है। So never get frustrated if in the life, and never try to blame others, simply move ahead. लोग तो पुश करते ही रहेंगे, आपको अपना रास्ता खुद ही बनाना होगा, and learn to walk on the path in a right way. तो कई बार फीलिंग आती है, अगर ये चीज मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं बहुत खुश होऊंगा। So they want to you expectations make you feel little disturbed, and आप your focus goes to something कि अगर ये मिल जाए मुझे तो मेरी जिंदगी सफल हो जाएगी, तो वहां ही प्रॉब्लम है। Like in this story, I tell you, a old woman was doing some needle work inside, and then she lost her needle and she was searching. Then उसने सोचा यहाँ अंधेरा है, dark है, let me go outside, let me find out the needle. So when she went, she was searching. Then a kind person came and he said, अम्मा जी आप यहाँ क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? उसने कहा मैं अपनी निडल ढूंढ रही हूँ। तो उसने कहा कि आपकी निडल कहाँ थी? निडल तो मेरी अंदर कमरे में खोई थी। तो इट इज लाइक हम अपनी हैप्पीनेस को बाहर जाके ढूंढते हैं, जो हाँ हमें हैप्पीनेस को हमारे अंदर ही है, हम कहीं कितना ही ढूंढते रहें, बिकॉज वी फील to go outside and to look outside is very easy, and we don't want to see inside our work. And the one thing is if you want to can make the balance in your personal and professional life, then you will always be happy, because there are certain constraints, certain things which a profession requires. So designate the work and then keep doing the work, because by choice we have become gynecologists. And if we say we are doing lot of work and एक दूसरे से भी पूछते हैं तुमको क्या मिलता है टॉक देने में, why do you go, why are you running behind, हम तो अपने घर में आराम से रहते हैं, हमको नहीं ये सब उल्टा सीधा काम करना है, why are you so much busy, और हम तो अपने घर में अपने बच्चों को देखना है, या मेरे हस्बैंड अलाउ नहीं करते हैं, या मुझे ही नहीं पसंद है, wherever we want to go with the husband only, and this going to conferences is totally useless, and giving talk is totally useless. So it is all, and somebody saying आप तुम डिलीवरी ही करते रहोगे, हमने तो IVF सीख लिया, now we are very happy. कोई कहेगा हमने लेप्रोस्कोपी सीख लिया। तो सबके अपने लाइफ के एजेंडे अलग है, सबकी अलग थिंकिंग है। लेट्स नॉट सी जो अपने को सूट कर रहा है वही बेस्ट है। और एक ये और है कि अगर आपने ये नहीं पहचाना एज अ मेन पर्सन कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, तब तक आप उसको कुछ कर ही नहीं पाओगे। अगर एक पेशेंट ने जाके कहा डॉक्टर से कि मैं जहां छू रही हूँ वो वहीं मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, तो देन डॉक्टर ने कहा भाई तुमको अब समझ में आ गया मुझे, बेसिकली फ्रैक्चर इज इन द फिंगर, एंड वो अपने एक्सरे सब करके इसके आने बात कर रही थी। तो डायग्नोस प्रॉब्लम इज ऑल्सो इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट। और जब प्रॉब्लम का व्हेन यू नो द प्रॉब्लम द सॉल्यूशन विल ऑल्सो कम। एंड द बेसिक थिंग इज कि नेवर ट्राई टू पुश द थिंग्स। इन्वायरमेंट को चेंज करने की कोशिश मत करिए, उसमें एडजस्ट उस तरीके से करिए कि यू कम आउट एज अ विनर। एंड बिकॉज थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज, it is like a very simple story where there was a land of heaven and hell. So 10 people were in heaven and 10 people in hell. So उनके हाथ में स्प्लिंट लगा दिए, so they could not, वो हाथ मोड़ के खाना नहीं खा पा रहे थे। So after 10 days, when they went to see the heaven, everybody was happy. तो उन्होंने कहा how come they are happy in hell में everybody was dying of starvation। बेसिकली हमारा हाथ अपने लिए नहीं मुड़ रहा था, तो we started feeding other, सामने वाले को। So that was a simple thing। तो अगर हम लोग एक दूसरे को हेल्प करना सीख जाएंगे तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम भी, इशू भी खत्म हो जाएगा। एंड टू समराइज डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी शुड लर्न द वैल्यू ऑफ एज। एज इज जस्ट द नंबर। किसी के लिए 50 साल पे जिंदगी शुरू होती है तो किसी के लिए 50 साल पे खत्म हो जाती है। किसी के साथ कुछ इशू है, किसी के साथ। अब अमेरिका के प्रेसिडेंट को देखिए, अगर उनको कोई कहे, वो कोई सोच सकते हैं कि इस एज पे जाकर आदमी को प्रेसिडेंट भी बनेगा और इतना काम करेगा। So no, it is your way of working, your adoption, your perception which makes you feel young or a good worker. And always look at the mirror to conclude हमने जिंदगी में क्या पाया और क्या खोया। अगर आप, और जिंदगी एक लाइफ सर्कल है, you have to understand that, and that you are a responsible person at 50 and 55 years of age। तो आपको एडजस्टमेंट करना तो थोड़ा सा बनता है, क्योंकि अब आपके पास कई सारे रिलेशंस नए बन गए हैं, तो आपको वो सब देखना होगा। और नेवर कंसिडर पिल्स एज अ बर्डन। आप ये कैल्शियम लेना है, विटामिन डी लेना है, सब लेना है, ठीक है, सब लेते रहेंगे, खुशी खुशी लेते रहेंगे। ये मत सोचिए कि हम ये सब ले रहे हैं तो हम दुखी हैं। एंड सो थैंक यू। अपने घर के गेट के बाहर ये फ्लावर्स का एच लगाइए, एच फॉर हैप्पीनेस। सो बटरफ्लाई, हैप्पीनेस विल कम रनिंग लाइक अ बटरफ्लाई, एंड you all will be very very happy। and I think happiness तो बांटने से ही बढ़ता है। So thank you very much, and I'm really thankful, and I hope I could talk a little bit about this thing on happiness, and whether I could talk or not, but really I'm very happy to come here and talk in front of madam and get madam ka ashirwad। I'm really really very happy। Thank you ma'am।
Congratulations, I think it was superb। So I think बहुत सारी आपने मन की बात करी और सभी को लग रहा है कि उनकी मन की बात आपने कही है। तो मैं खाली बस दो ही चीज बोलूंगी। Whatever you believe, and you strongly believe, you become, and there is nothing to obstruct on that particular thing। So happiness is always, it is a resolution which you have to do it। And I can also say in the end, as a teacher, I will say that आपकी qualification आपके लिए दरवाजा खोलती है, but आपकी values और आपके virtues उस दरवाजे को बराबर खुला रखते हैं। So एक बार चीज है, जब भी हम इस हंट में जाएंगे, अपनी हैप्पीनेस के हंट में, आपने देखना पड़ेगा कि we never compromise with our values and our virtues। We have another very healthy person, happy person, Dr. Ragini। आपसे राज जाने की आपकी हैप्पीनेस और हेल्थ का क्या राज है, डॉक्टर रागिनी? We have many experts here and they must make a comment।
पहले सस्ते
वैसे मैं तो मेन टाइम मैम एक वर्ड और बोलना चाहूंगी. When I was already running a nursing home and I was really thinking I have done enough. Then one day I thought I have heard so much about there is a madam in Delhi and I must go and meet and must learn something from her. And that was the day I really got that change in my life. I got her blessing. ऐसा इतना बड़ा बात है.
सही कहा अर्चना मैम, बहुत आपने बहुत अच्छी लाइनें बोली. आपकी बस यही समराइज करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं हूँ, मैं चाहे जैसी भी हूँ, खुद से खुश हूँ, चाहे जैसी भी हूँ. न मैं अति सुंदर, न छरहरी, न नायिका उसकी काया है मेरी, पर खुद पे ही नाज, आत्मविश्वास और संबल ही है छाया मेरी. क्या करूं क्या नहीं, अब नहीं करनी किसी की परवाह, अब तो लगता है करूं वही जो दिल में दबा रखी थी चाह. तो धन्यवाद अर्चना मैम, आपने बहुत सुंदर शब्द बोले, बहुत इंस्पायरिंग थे, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं तारिणी मैडम दिख रही है, तारिणी मैडम हमारी एक्सपर्ट है, कृपया मैम 2 लाइनें बोलिए. तारिणी मैम हमारी सारे पास की रेजिडेंट है और आज की इनवाइटेड एक्सपर्ट है. तारिणी मैम, ओवर टू यू.
मामा ने लगा दी
म्यूट कर लीजिए मैम. तारिणी मैम.
मामा तो मामी के पूरे प्रभाव में है.
अरे वो मामी चक्कर कह के मामी नालायक है उसको.
डॉक्टर अनीता, थैंक यू सो मच. एक्चुअली डॉक्टर अर्चना ने इतना अच्छा बोल दिया है. आई थिंक देयर इज नॉट मच टू से, बट बहुत अच्छा है कि आप खुश रहिए और खुशी बांटते रहिए और जो आपको अच्छा लगता है उसको साथ लेके चलिए. जैसे कॉन्फ्रेंस में डॉक्टर अनीता मिल गई थी उस दिन, तो मजा आ गया था. और शारदा मैम से मिलते रहिए, उनसे ब्लेसिंग लेती रहिए. दैट इज द बेस्ट. डॉक्टर शारदा जैन से इतनी पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है कि आप सब कुछ बोल के खुश हो जाते हो. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
रागिनी मैम को बुलाएंगी. शिवानी, रागिनी मैम को बुलाइए.
Yes. Thank you so much, Tarini ma'am. And it's a great honor. It's a very high honor for me to invite our expert, Dr. Ragini, who is the Vice President of